welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So today I'll be showing you guys what I have inside my Pamper kit, which is right behind this, and I use this kit usually once every week or once in every 2 weeks. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I like to my room to smell good when I'm pampering myself, so I use this candle, which is something called Old Williamsburg candle, scented candle, and this smells so good. Don't go by the look of it. It smells absolutely amazing. Now on to the real kit. I usually use this box, which is by the Beauty Co, and I had 2 scrubs in it, but I don't have them now, so I made this my Pamper kit, and let's see what we have inside. Dun, dun, dun. So first up we have 2 sheet masks, which is the new launched Garnier serum mask, and I had 3 of them. I already used one of them, so I have like 2 left, and these are absolutely amazing. Next we have the Chakra Natural Beauty Nourishing Body Cream, and this is made in Bali, Indonesia. So this is an organic cream which is made with all organic ingredients, as you can see, and this smells amazing. This smells like lemon and milk together, lemon ice cream, and I absolutely love this. Next we have a lip scrub. This is by Sheer Secrets lip scrub, and this is the rambutan dates and licorice lip scrub. I also scrub my lips while I'm pampering myself, and I love this. So that's that. Next we have this red wine, this red wine sleeping face gel, which I love. I love everything in this kit, and I use this on the nights when I am having a pampering day, or like pampering myself, or when I use this kit, I use this as at night, and this is so good, you guys. I am not even kidding. This is like the best, and this is how it looks. It's like jelly, so I love it. Last but not the least is this Nivea shower gel, which this is the Waterlily and oil shower gel. Now you might be wondering why I have my shower gel in this pampering kit. That's because I have like 2 or more shower gels which I use regularly, and this one is specifically for special occasions or days, and I use this when I am feeling special or something, or like pampering myself. This is so good, you guys. It has like care oil pearl scent of water lily flower, and this smells exactly like water lily. Not even kidding. I wish you could smell it through here. This smells so good. So yeah, and that's quite a lot of amount. It has like 250 ml of product. It smells fresh and amazing, and as it says, tempting freshness meets pampering care, and it also says that like moisturize skin feeling even after tile drying, and that's exactly what it does, since it has this care oil burst. I don't know if you could see it, but there's yellow bits in it. Yeah, so yeah, I absolutely love this. This smells so good, and if you want to get this, then you can check this out on www.notino.co.uk. It's available there. The direct link of this product will be given in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And with that, I finish my what's in my pampering kit video. These are all. Now I'm going to go and pamper myself a little bit with all this. And if you want to get this one, then check the description box below because you deserve to pamper yourself too. That's what I have in my pampering kit. Hope you guys love watching it and get them for yourself as well. So yeah, that's all. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.